paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Why don't we make an origami flower bouquet today? Alright Bubbles, let's go! Yes, for this we will require 3 origami papers. Let's take the first paper and start folding it. First we will fold it into a rectangle, then a square and fold it once again. Now, why don't we try and make a leaf design on top of it? But we will make sure that we make only half a leaf. Also, one more thing to remember is you will make this design on the inner part. Do not make this design on the outer part. Now, let's repeat the same thing for the other one as well. Fold, fold, and fold one more time. And now, why don't we trace the design of our previous leaf? Let's trace it together. On the inner side of the paper, that's right. And after that, let's take our scissor and cut it. Why don't we keep the scissor a little away from us and hold it properly? Great! Once we are done with that, we will start making the stem of the flower. For this, we will roll this paper from the side very nicely. Let's roll it in a thin way. And now, let's put some glue and complete the rolling. This looks fabulous. Now, it looks like a magic wand, isn't it? Now it's time for us to stick the petals. At first, we will put some glue in the center and then wrap it on the stick. Now that we've done this from the right hand side, why don't we put some glue and try wrapping it from the left hand side as well? Yes, let's wrap it one on top of each other. After that, let's start repeating the same step once again, but this time, let's put it a little lower. Now, why don't we do the same thing once again, but from the left side? Make sure you wait for your petals to stick, or else they are going to come out again and again. Why don't we start sticking this below it? And now, let's keep repeating the same steps for the other petals. The more the petals, the better the flower looks. This looks so beautiful. And finally, let's stick our last petal. Doesn't this look great? It is a 3D flower. Now you can cut a few more petals with another color and start sticking this as well. Here we have light pink and dark pink. And we are putting it on a stick which is green in color. Can you do this activity with me? It is going to be a lot of fun. At first, we are going to put dark pink and on top of it, we will put light pink. We need to make sure that we are wrapping the petals on top of each other. Doesn't this look great? Let's put the final petal and see how it looks. Marvelous! We have 2 such flowers. To make one more, let's have another color and start sticking quickly. We need to follow the same steps. First, you put one on the right side, another petal on the left side, and keep putting the rest of them one below each other. Something like this. If you wish to, you can cut a piece of a leaf and stick it with your flowers. This looks great, isn't it? And now your bouquet is almost ready. Now it's time for us to tie it. Why don't we tie it with a beautiful ribbon? Let's take it and let's tie it. And now, why don't we make a knot and a bow on top of it? Looks pretty. And our bouquet is ready. You can try this with different colors as well. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.